मीन्स अगर मैं यहां पे टेंशन की बात करूं तो हियर टेंशन इज एक्टिंग इन अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन, हियर यहां की टेंशन की बात करूं तो हियर टेंशन इज एक्टिंग इन डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन, हियर टेंशन इज एक्टिंग डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन, हियर टेंशन इज एक्टिंग इन अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन, हियर टेंशन इज एक्टिंग इन अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन, here tension is acting in downward direction. If we talk about the tension here, the tension acting here in downward direction and here it is acting in upward direction. तो इस तरह से टेंशन को जब भी हमें मार्क करना होता है थ्रेड में, तो जस्ट वी हैव टू मार्क लाइक दिस. इज इट क्लियर बेटे? इज इट
Yes,
क्लियर?
sir.
गुड.
Yes, sir.
सेकेंड पॉइंट, for massless and frictionless string, tension remains same. टेंशन रिमेन सेम. मैं ये हालांकि बता चुका हूं, मैं फिर भी लिख रहा हूं. टेंशन रिमेन सेम throughout the string the massless string. Okay, now very important point what we are going to use here. Total work done by tension is always zero. Work done by tension is always zero. मीन्स हम इसका यूज करेंगे, ये हम आगे आपको इसी को लेके चलेंगे. बट वन मोर थिंग इज हियर, ये जो पुली हम कंसीडर करते हैं, दीज पुलीज मस्ट बी मासलेस. ये पुली हमेशा ही मासलेस होना चाहिए. हम जब भी पुली की बात कर रहे हैं, जस्ट वी आर कंसीडरिंग पुली आर मासलेस. और ये पुली जैसे ही मैंने मासलेस कहा, इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? इसका मतलब हुआ नेट फोर्स ऑलवेज रिमेन जीरो. नेट फोर्स always, it's a very important point, remain zero. ध्यान से सुनेंगे आप. मैंने पुली को मासलेस लिया है, इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि टेंशन इन डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन हियर is equal to the tension in this direction and in this direction. Means if tension here is T and it is T, ये सिंगल थ्रेड है, तो यहाँ टेंशन और यहाँ टेंशन सेम होगा, जो हमने आपको बताया यहाँ पे कि टेंशन रिमेन सेम. तो हियर दिस इज द थ्रेड, at all the point tension remains same, so the tension in upward direction here is T and tension in upward direction here is also T, but this is the different string, so this will not be T, this will be T1 or T dash, anything whatever you want to give the name. अब ये कॉन्सेप्ट आपको लगानी पड़ेगी. नेट फोर्स ऑलवेज रिमेन जीरो ऑन अ पुली बिकॉज पुली इज मासलेस. तो देखिए, अपवर्ड फोर्स मस्ट बी इक्वल टू द डाउनवर्ड फोर्स. अपवर्ड फोर्स इज T plus T, that is 2T, is equal to T1 or T dash. This is the concept largely we are going to use here. Is it clear, bete? Please note all these things. These are very important to solve the question. Please note कीजिए. I am just giving you 20 seconds to copy all these things in your words. ये नहीं कि सर ने जो लिखा है उसको कॉपी कर लिया और बाद में समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. You must have to note the things in your words. आई होप आप नोट कर रहे हैं. डोंट टेक द स्नैपशॉट. में बार बार मना करता हूं आपको. Okay, let's do this question on this concept. जो हमने अभी पढ़ा है, on the basis of that concept, क्या concept पढ़ा है? पढ़ा है work done by the tension force, total work done by tension, summation of all the work done by tension must be 0. Listen carefully. Total work done by tension force is always 0. This concept we are going to use here. Listen, tension force at this point is in this direction, that is T. And this is a string. Listen carefully. This is a single string which is wrapped like this. So tension here is in downward direction, and that will be same because tension remains same throughout the string, throughout the massless string. Here tension is in this direction. Here tension is in this direction. Here tension is in this direction. And here tension is in this direction. Okay, let's see, this block is moving in downward direction as it is given in the question. It is moving with the 2 meter per second downward. Let's say in time t it has moved a distance x here. Movement is in this direction. Tension is in upward direction. Okay, so work done here is T x minus, what is the formula for work? Work is force into displacement, or you can say F dot S. Here S is x and it is completely opposite to the force, so I have taken negative here. Is it clear? Is it clear, bete? The work done at this point due to the tension force is minus Tx. Here there is no displacement, it is a stationary point, so there is no displacement. If no displacement is there, then work done is 0. Similarly, work done by this is also 0. But see, if it is moved by x distance, let's see, this has moved a distance y in upward direction. Now displacement and tension both are in the same direction, so it is t into y. Similarly, for this tension it is t into y. And again, this is a stationary point, so this work done is 0. This will be 0. इस कॉन्सेप्ट को आप अच्छे से सीखिए क्योंकि क्वेश्चन कॉम्प्लेक्स होता जाएगा. देखिए, मैं आपको क्वेश्चंस दिखा रहा हूं कैसा होता जाता है. ये तो मैंने सबसे इजी क्वेश्चन लिए थे. देखिए, दिस क्वेश्चन, दिस क्वेश्चन, दिस क्वेश्चन. इन दिस वे क्वेश्चन गेटिंग कॉम्प्लेक्स. ये क्वेश्चन कॉम्प्लेक्स होता जाएगा, और अगर आपने इस कॉन्सेप्ट को अच्छे से अप्लाई करना सीख लिया तो these questions becomes very easy. So confirm me whether you got this point or not.
सर,
Yes बेटा.
इसमें ये पुल के ऊपर टेंशन 0 क्यों लिया? इस पे भी तो इफेक्ट होगा जब है ना ये जो ऑब्जेक्ट है ब्लॉक का नीचे जाएगा तो उस पे भी इफेक्ट होगा.
हाँ बेटे, तो इसका मैं नहीं. लिसन, मैं फिर से लिख रहा हूं, ध्यान से देखना. दिस इज द फर्स्ट पॉइंट, दिस इज द सेकेंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ, फिफ्थ, सिक्स्थ. These are the 6 tensions working here. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
At first point, work done is this minus Tx. At second point, work done is 0. इसमें confusion है अमित?
Yes, sir.
देखो यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है बेटा, दिस पुली इज नॉट गोइंग डाउन, इस पुली में कोई डिस्प्लेसमेंट नहीं हो रहा है। क्या पुली मूव कर रहा है? स्ट्रिंग इज स्लाइडिंग। हैव यू गॉट द पॉइंट?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, at T3 it is 0. At T4 it is not 0 because this pulley can moved up. ये पुल्ली फ्री है, मूवेबल पुल्ली है। So this is Ty because it has moved a distance y in upward direction. So it is Ty. Again, due to this it is Ty. And this is 0 again. This point is not moving. This is the rigid body. Now if we solve this, minus Tx plus 2Ty is equal to 0. T will cancel out. 2y is equal to x. In this way, you can deal. Now you have to differentiate. This is the block B and this is block A. So you can write velocity of A is equal to twice of velocity of B. And hence you can calculate velocity of B, that is 1 meter per second, as you have calculated by using the previous concept. Is it clear बेटे? अगर clear हुआ तो हम आगे चलेंगे।
Yes, sir.
Good. Now see the next. Good. टाइम देखना भी जरूरी है। देखो आपको क्या कहा गया है, थ्योरेटिकली आपको बताया गया है कि टेंशन के कारण जो भी वर्क डन होगा वो 0 होगा। तो आप देखिए टेंशन कहां कहां लग रहा है। Here tension is in upward direction. This is T. Since the string is same, single string is there. यहां से यहां तक मैं जहां पे टेंशन शो कर रहा हूं वो सिंगल स्ट्रिंग है। तो सिंगल स्ट्रिंग में टेंशन हर जगह पे सेम होता है। Here also it is T. Here also it is T. Here also it is T. जहां जहां कांटेक्ट है हर जगह पे टेंशन फोर्स लगेगा, इवन थ्रेड के बीच में भी लगता है। But we don't have interest to show the tension in the midpoint of the thread. Here it is T. And this is the different string. So just we have to mark here it is T dash. Okay. So in an string, work done by all the tension forces is 0. Listen carefully. Work done by all the tension acting at different places in the string remain 0 because it is a rigid body. Now if we suppose this block is moved down by x, then this block must have to move up with y. And if this block is moved by y, then this pulley must move by y. And if this is moved by y, then just we have to find the work done by tension. Here this force is in upward direction, displacement is in downward direction. So it is minus x into t, force into displacement. Force is t and displacement is minus x, plus work done at this point will be 0 because there is no displacement. xt plus 0. Similarly, work done at this point will also be 0. यहाँ पे भी work done 0 होगा because there is no displacement. Now, instead of these two tensions, ध्यान से देखेंगे, we can include this, means it is 2t into y. Here also it is ty, here also it is ty. Plus, here it is t and no movement, so it is 0 and total work done is 0. So you can write t x into t plus 2 y into t is equal to 0. Now t will cancel out, you will get 2y is equal to x. Now if you differentiate, you will get velocity of b, double of velocity of b is equal to velocity of a. And velocity a is known, that is 2 meters per second. So velocity of b will be by 2, that is 1 meter per second. I hope it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Good. Now we don't have the time to move forward. Time is over. So that's all for today's class. You can leave the class. Bye.